Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, confirm your device is signed into your Apple ID and FaceTime is enabled. Once done, open the FaceTime app and tap the new FaceTime or plus button to begin. Choose a contact from the list or type a phone number or email, then tap video or audio to send the invite. Make sure the front camera shows your face and the mic icon isn't muted. This prevents a failed connection before the call begins. Once connected, manage the experience. Tap the screen to reveal controls and switch between front and rear cameras or mute your mic instantly. If you need more people, use Add Person to convert a one into a group FaceTime. Group calls use different layouts so you can see active speakers. You can enable effects or live photos if privacy allows. For best quality, stay on Wi-Fi. If you must use cellular, monitor data, and confirm H. To finish, tap the red End button. Check that any permitted live photos save to Photos. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Toggle FaceTime off and back on in Settings, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, or restart the device to clear temporary glitches. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in or update iOS to the latest version. This fixes authentication and protocol bugs. One reliable tip: restart the modem/router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.